from Antarctica back to normal life. Whee! Anyway, our freezer was a total disaster. It was wheezing, making loud noises, stuck at 1 out of 9 on the temperature, and the ice maker just completely quit. But my husband came to the rescue, and then I had to empty out the freezer, of course, and then he had to unscrew the back wall, and then he found a giant iceberg. Well, multiple icebergs, like a mini Antarctica in there. But with patience, he used a blow dryer to melt it all away. And then I stepped in to clean and sanitize. And together, we brought our freezer back to life. Now, no more noise, the ice maker is working, and the freezer feels brand new again. It's like we just bought a completely new $2,000 freezer or refrigerator. But obviously, we just did what we needed to do. I'm so proud of my husband. Thank you, honey, sweetheart, honey bun, love of my life, my heart, my galbi, everything for fixing it. Our freezer went from Antarctica to America. I mean to normal life.